This log covers the latest committed work. The update has two main parts. Circle summaries now work more like cognitive maps, and Draft Review now has clearer tools for turning accepted feedback into paragraph changes. The Circle Summary page now has a clearer map view. Instead of only listing summary content, it can show where the current circle sits, how it relates to parent, child, and nearby circles, and which visible knowledge roots are available. The goal is to help a viewer understand where they are before asking them to read every detail. The map also gained a clearer visual root layer. Nodes can be connected with visible lines. The viewer can switch between a position map and a knowledge root view, and the evolution path can be played, paused, replayed, or moved through with a timeline. There is also reduced motion handling, so the same root information remains readable without relying on animation. Draft Review now has a read-only guidance panel for issue threads. The assistant can help explain what kind of review action makes sense for an issue, but it does not accept, reject, or apply the issue by itself. That keeps human review in control, while still making dense review threads easier to understand. Accepted review issues can now become paragraph revision suggestions. When a draft is back in the editing stage, the user can ask the system to draft a revision for the target paragraph, compare the current text with the suggested version, and apply the suggestion if the draft has not changed underneath it. The system also keeps invalid or unsupported targets visible for manual handling, instead of silently dropping them. The review flow was tightened around edge cases. The first paragraph is now treated as a valid review target. The app checks whether the draft changed before applying a suggestion, and the older review stage shortcut was removed from this path, so review guidance and paragraph revisions stay separate. Architecture planning records were also committed for several product areas, but those are supporting records, not the main user-facing change in this log. Coverage was added for the cognitive map, root playback, reduced motion behavior, review assist, accepted issue revision generation, paragraph application, source-backed draft inputs, and older draft flows. This work is about making knowledge easier to navigate and review feedback easier to turn into actual text changes. This is the June 11 view of the build. Cognitive maps and review assist both explain complex work, so the product wording may still change as the real workflow gets sharper. Today's version is a build record, not the final wording for the product. If you are following Alcheme, the repo and support links are in the description. Thanks for watching.